me to write this down?
Yeah.
You said 9?
Yeah.
So should we go 10 to have an inch of room?
No. We don't want to have a lot of room. 9's good. 9 by 12 by 9.
We are packaging up our PR orders that I painted yesterday and finishing up some of our shoes. These will be no longer available by the time this video's up. A size 6 shoe. Do you want me to put that together?
Yeah.
We need a size 6 shoe, and she bought one of everything. So a hat, a tank, a hoodie, a pant. I made a hot coffee for the first time in years today. Can you believe it?
Why, but yours is really good. Your coffee is really good.
I know, because I make it better than you do.
You must. I don't know why. Sometimes I struggle though, because I have to take some out.
Yeah, and you have to make sure it's completely flat. You're supposed to use like about 10 pounds of pressure.
I thought when I read and look at all you wasted.
Mm-mm.
You got a pile.
That was from before, an old coffee that was in there. I just grinded it out. Don't look at me like that.
Why do you grind it down there? Put it in something.
Well, because it was old coffee. I didn't want to use old beans. You know what is probably the thing too, is you buy beans that have been already sitting on the shelf for a while. These are fresh.
That's right, because I'm not Miss Prissy.
Well, if you wanted to
yours,
taste it.
Do you really think yours are that fresh? You're buying them and having them shipped.
They put on the date when they were
roasted.
Yeah, roasted. It's 1 o'clock. Jace is about to make some dinner. He's making like a Bobby Flay recipe. He's subscribed to like New York Times cooking or whatever. He's gonna make that, and then we're gonna have salad for dinner. This morning I did stick to like my little meal plan. I like to write out a menu for the week, because if I don't, I just eat whatever I want, and I still do that sometimes. But this week's menu, pretty much that chicken every night with salad. For breakfast I had scrambled eggs and sausage, and then I didn't eat lunch today because I just got sidetracked. I did have a couple pieces of Reese's though. And this I found. This is the best thing I've ever tasted in my life. Hi Lenny! The boys are getting their haircuts tomorrow morning. I had a whole plan to like do my makeup today and stuff, but then I got busy with Arlo Mars and didn't do it, because now, what time is it?
4:09. Giddy up for 4:09.
Can you open this for me? Oh wait, yeah, can you open it for me? Thank you. Thank you.
Giddy up 4:09.
So now it is wine o'clock for me. Been having wine a couple nights a week, and gotta say, I do recommend. Every time I put an actual stopper in this, it pops out because it's bubbly, so I just use a paper towel and it works fine. But Jace makes fun of me for it. Wearing the same outfit I wore yesterday. Don't be alarmed, I wear the same outfit all week. Our first course is a salad. Jace is bringing the nuts. Yes. Yum. What kind of dressing is it?
The sherry vinaigrette.
Ooh. I'm eating at my work station. This looks good. Bean, California Crunch, peppercini, cucumber, pecans, and Parmesan, right?
Yep.
It's good.
Got your protein coming at you here. Vinegar, sherry, honey, gastric.
What does that mean?
It's like a sauce, kind of sticky sauce.
Thank you. This is a Bobby Flay recipe.
Well, yeah, I kind of had to make a lot of adjustments.
Oh. We got the wrong kind of chicken. And then we also didn't have the right cheese, but I feel like I need more sauce.
What more sauce?
Is there more sauce?
Yeah. His recipe called for like stuffing the skin and stuff. So this is quite a bit different.
It tastes really good.
Do you like it?
Can you believe I can just eat chicken now?
No.
Remember the first time I tried to eat chicken again?
Yeah.
I literally cried. Like sobbed crying. Are you gonna eat too?
Mm-hmm.
We're done with dinner. Jace just had to run to the store to buy a Santa hat because he's putting out like a pop punk Christmas song. And I need to take the photo for his album artwork. And he needed a Santa hat. That's what he's doing. I'm sitting here placing a few Black Friday orders, or Cyber Monday orders, I guess. I haven't bought anything. Like, I've been on a strict no buy at all. I haven't even done Christmas shopping yet. I didn't indulge in one purchase, which I haven't done in years. But today I did buy a couple things for work, just like video editing things, some like transitions and fun things to try. And I'm going through one of those periods where I'm like, okay, New Year's coming up, new me. I need to rebrand myself. Not rebrand, but like, I've been very inconsistent this year. I've struggled a lot with my mental health, so that was like a big priority for me this year. I just wanted to, excuse you, sir. I just wanted to make sure that like mentally I was okay. I think moving out here and not knowing anyone and kind of like being alone all of the time really has taken a toll on me. Before, Jace didn't work as much and he worked from home, and my mom lived with us for a couple years, so I was never like by myself, which then I was like, oh, I just need some like alone time. But now that I'm always alone, it's different, and I had to come to terms with that. I'm not always alone anymore because Jace is working from home most of the time now, which has been nice to not be alone. But anyways, what I'm saying is my mental health was in shambles this year. I had a lot of things go down, like in my personal life, that took a really big toll on me, that I just haven't shared online because it's like, I gotta process that shit first, you know what I mean? Like it's stuff that just really took a toll on me. So anyways, working on that, but I've just been really inconsistent with my work. I feel like there's so many things going on. I have like my own Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all of that, being like an influencer kind of thing. I've been horribly inconsistent with that. Trashy Studio or Cherry Photo Club, I've probably been the most consistent with that this year, but even then, like, I'm not where I should be with it. And I feel like Arlo Mars has taken up 75% of my time lately, because launching the brand, well, we worked on it for like over a year, but when we finally got to launch, it was like hiccup after hiccup after hiccup. And starting a brand like this is different. Like, I've done merch in the past, but it was just like throw it up on my website, get it produced, and then ship it out. But this is like very different. We're putting in so much work into this brand, like insane amount of hours go into Arlo Mars, to where like some nights I'm up really late working on things on the computer. I do everything on the computer besides the website. We had someone build that, and I actually don't like the website at all. I think it's bad. I'm just word vomiting here, but all of that to say, I've been inconsistent. I feel like I haven't had a great handle on my mental health. I've had a lot of mentee B's in this second half of the year, lots of just crying, sobbing for not no reason, but like out of nowhere. So it's been stressful. Just so many things are going on. I hate to be vague, but it's just like personal stuff, so I know you understand. But I just feel like moving into the new year, I really want to like have a little glow up. Like I said in, I think yesterday's video, I've been working on my health a lot. This year I got diagnosed with like a medley of issues, and so I've been working really hard to like heal my relationship with food, and I stopped being vegan, and it's just been a lot on me this year. All that said, I deserve a glow up. I'm turning 30 in a month. Well, like at the end of December. They say your 30s are the best decade of your life. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to be in my 30s. I do feel like the death of my 20s, I don't know, my 20s were just such like a, I don't mean to be like having a therapy session with you right now, but now that I'm thinking about it, it's like this is my last month in my 20s. I'm gonna be 30. Is this a crease from my hair clip? I've been sleeping with these in my hair. I got my hair done a week ago and I still have not washed it. The death of my 20s, dude. I'm hosting a funeral for my 20s. That's what I want to do for my vibe this year. Like, I want everyone to wear black. I say everyone like I'm having a big party. I'm not. I think it's just gonna be me, Jace, my mom. I have my brother and his family coming to town, but I doubt like we'll do my birthday while they're here. Maybe. I don't know. I want to buy myself a cute outfit, and just like, even though like my body isn't looking her best lately, She's gotten me through this year of literal hell. Honestly, most of it has been pretty bad for me. We need to have a funeral for her. Like, she is dead. The old Taylor cannot come to the phone right now. And I need to be reborn as a 30-year-old and get my shit together, like, once and for all. I know, like, life is just like ups and downs and a roller coaster, but like, I want to go into my 30s being hot, being smart, and having fun. 30, flirty, and thriving, literally. It's what she deserves, and I am starting that prep now because I've got my meal plan back on track. Like I was saying, I don't know if I finished telling you yesterday about healing my relationship with food. I just really let myself eat whatever I want. The past like 6 months, I stopped being vegan. That was insanely hard for me. To eat meat again, very hard. That was a lot. I also have OCD, so it's like literally so many things, so many layers to me. I'm finally to a place where I can like eat a chicken breast. Before, like, I could not eat just a chicken breast. It had to be like disguised pretty much, literally like a toddler. With that came like eating a lot of candy and just like sweets and pastries and anything I wanted. I was like, anything I want to eat, I'm not going to be mad at myself for it. I'm just going to eat whatever I want. So I was eating whatever I wanted. And so now I'm trying to like get ahead of like the new year, new me kind of thing, because every year, if I start in January, it's like, it's not gonna happen. I need to start before. Got my meal plan in place for the week. I'm doing whatever my doctor has recommended. So I know it's like a sensitive topic to share online, like your meal plan and stuff, but I'm basically just eating a lot of protein. That's pretty much my requirement. I'm gonna be trying to cut out as much refined sugars as I can. For the most part, that's like just what I need to do to try and like get my Hashimoto's to chill out. I'm not doing that right now because I know we're making Christmas cookies this weekend, and like I haven't had my mom's Christmas cookies since I went vegan like 6 or 7 years ago. So like I'm eating those cookies and I'm not gonna feel bad about it. But I'm just trying to get like my breakfast, lunch, and dinners in check because we've been eating out a lot. We've been eating so bad. And I mean, like, eating bad once in a while isn't really gonna affect me, but it's when you're eating out like 3 times a day, fast food. Like, I've eaten a Crunchwrap Supreme like 5 times this month. Or not this month, these last like 2 weeks. I'm rambling. I know, I hate when I do this too. I'm so sorry if you're still here. Getting my life together. I say this all the time, but like, it's actually time. Jace just texted me and said, dang, my head is too big for all the hats at Target. What do you think, Walmart or dollar store? Why don't you just buy the small hat and we'll just cut the back of it since you're not gonna see it? The man cracks me up. Picturing him in Target right now trying on Santa hats and they're too small is so funny. That is hilarious. What I was saying before Jace texted me though is that I'm getting my meals ready. Like today I did really good. It was the first day. It's a Monday. This is pre-filmed a little bit, so the days might be off, but I ate my breakfast and my snack, skipped lunch, and then I had the dinner, which was nice. So I'm trying to like slowly get back into it, but I'm still gonna be eating candy because I'm not gonna just like go cold turkey. That's when it's not sustainable. So I'm like, had a Reese's today, I had a pirouette, but I'm gonna get back on track and I'm just doing it in a healthier way than I ever have before. I guess that's where I'll end this. I'm gonna go do my skincare routine. I'll show you in tomorrow's video, like my morning skincare and stuff. I won't bore you with that right now, but that's gonna be it for this vlog. I can't believe we're doing Vlogmas again. I kind of like it though. It's kind of fun to vlog every day or as much as you can. So I'm gonna finish my work, do my skincare, finish my wine, watch something on TV, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the My Chem reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing, but if I don't get tickets I'm suing. You and me could have a pop-punk Christmas. I can find my binder of burnt CDs. Wait, I think I bought Punko's Christmas.